Hello students, today I am going to teach you about sun, moon, stars and earth. We can see sun shining brightly in the day. The moons and millions of stars appear in the night sky. Sun is also a huge star. Sun's family is called the solar system. The solar system includes 8 planets and their satellites. The planets move around the sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we will discuss about sun. The sun is a ball of hot and burning gases. It gives us heat and light. Planets need sunlight to make food. Now about moon. The moon and millions of stars appears at night in the sky. We can see moon at night. It is closer to planet Earth. Shape of moon changes according to the month. Now next about stars. They are heavenly bodies seen in the night sky. They are huge ball of fire. They look small because they are far away from the earth. We cannot see stars in the morning due to the bright sunlight. Next, about Earth. Earth is a planet where life exists. First, it is shaped like a spherical ball. It moves around the sun. Earth gets light and heat from the sun. Next, we will discuss about different landforms. Landforms are natural physical features of Earth's surface. First, mountains. There are very high areas on the Earth. Mountains are made up of soil, rocks, pebbles and stones. Very high mountains are covered with snow. Now we will come to hills. Hills are lower than mountains. The weather is very pleasant in the hills. Next, valley. A valley is a low-lying area between two mountains. Valleys are V-shaped, having river flowing through them. Next, plateaus. A plateau is an area of land that is higher than the land around it. Next, plains. These are vast areas of the land. Many rivers flow through the plains. Now we come to desert. Deserts are very hot and dry. Lands covered with sands receive very less rainfall. Only few plants can grow. Animals like camels and snakes can survive. Now about water bodies. Seas and oceans. Seas and oceans are the largest water bodies on earth. They have salty water. Now about island. A land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. Next, rivers. Rivers are one of the most important source of water on earth. They are home of many animals. Next, waterfall. When water falls from a great height, waterfall is formed. Next, lakes. Lakes are water bodies smaller than rivers. Their flow of water is also slower than rivers. Thank you.